please subscribe to Amazing Review to get videos like this.
So after mama kwa ba Amazing Review, so ya da ma se da ni da nyina mo nyafan na mo hwe yen reviews what I say. Munya hu ni se ade a kyen na se yen so nya hoode de bibi se ya brɛ mo ana enye yetumi ya nyansa yenim die ana se ebia yisika na bibia ye wonti what I say nembo eye de oboye ho ban de obo ho ban na ene de obo me ho ban ti na da so ye dey eti ase and I say from focus if mo say ade a ye dey aggressive people so wo hunu no ye depending eto kwa na se dia kokora to kwa ohunu ma ne ye den etra ati ase na chese Amazing Review so ba ye hwehwemu e ba ye hwehwemu a ye powerful word ye try and we are on Familia and his manager and Chris Waddle. Well, there is a news roaming about say AMG business boss, which is Chris Waddle, he has signed OBG Music artist, which is Familia. No clube the woman, Eyampa, Amazing Review. We are here to give each details to you. What I say, your house here, the emu, Chichimunina, Ebema. Now answer and I'm sure, and now your first time out there, a video there. Click a subscription button on. Please, we have moved from our old channel to this new channel. So if today is your first time of watching us from our new channel, then can you please subscribe to our YouTube channel? You understand? Thank you. Let's go for a quick commercial break. We're gonna come back soon, please. Wala bushanfo mama kwa ba yansa so ba biem ya mama kwa ba de ba Amazing Review. So ya twa Familia AMG business boss Chris Waddle on it Familia accord terms and conditions. So now Familia is now an artist in AMG Music, which is AMG business. Chris Waddle on the year boss. I'm out for the gig. I'm say Chris Waddle or your fraud star. I'm say or your fraud stars. Come on, and I'm gonna make up minimum share. So say no question, no question. I know the amount for be or your scammer class say your juma or your fraudster your juma. If you are not wise here, you can't fraud someone. Money, yes, and on also planning. I idea that you coming out with. Well, na enjoy now. You can say Zion Felix or yeah, OGB Music boss. I don't know manage Familia interview. Now according to boss no, before say Familia and no, and I say before say Familia ebe free na say no. Sa abranti your friend of Familia, sa abranti na friend of Familia no. We shall on the kind the boss enya kasa. Me beka sa asem no. Ma sure for the beka no kro me beka sa asem ne say akasa na Familia on ne boss anya no. Say me me gidi say enya kwa na emom obi na shekuntu na ase no disika motivating the say utumi egu wone wo boss business na and I say utumi gu wone OGB contract na mefa wa na say mesan no me kan say enu nti na ma Familia eye den eye saa adwuma no and then abeto dwa say Chris Waddle oye Froster for nyina ken o sha na kra ne medical and others what you say wasane abrante your friend of Familia successfully. With a successful deal and negotiation, Familia was bailed out from OMG business with an amount of $50,000 US. Osha na a car a work Familia was said Chris Waddle Familia former manager and I said the ex-manager no $50,000 US. I Becca said the signing fee what I said. Osha Chris Waddle esane Familia $50,000 US any free. The boss, the ex-boss in some. More Amazing Review. If today is your first time of watching us, this is Amazing Review. We go into details of every news. We go into details of every aspect about entertainment, news, local news, foreign news, and others. You understand? We go through. So if today is your first time of